Welcome to watching the best AI tools for Forex traders, tested and ranked. Forex trading is changing fast. What used to take hours of market analysis now takes seconds thanks to AI. But with so many tools out there, which ones are actually worth using? Today, we're breaking down the top AI tools for Forex traders, ranked by performance, features, and ease of use. Number 1. Trade Ideas. Originally built for stock traders, Trade Ideas now supports currency pairs with smart scanners, automated backtesting, and real-time alerts. Its AI, named Holly, analyzes thousands of setups each night and delivers trade-ready ideas based on statistical edge. For traders who want AI-generated strategies and auto-trade integrations, this is gold. Number 2. Capitalise.ai. Don't know how to code? No problem. Capitalise lets you automate trades using plain English. Just type buy Euro USD if RSI drops below 30, and it does the rest. It connects to brokers like FCM and Interactive Brokers, so it's built for real-world trading. Number 3. MetaTrader 5 plus ChatGPT. Combine MT5 with ChatGPT and you've got a powerful duo. Use GPT to write and optimize expert advisors or trading bots, or ask it to explain signals and indicators in seconds. The community is using GPT to turn complex Forex ideas into ready-made EA scripts. Number 4. ForexVPS plus AI bots. Running an AI bot? You need uptime. ForexVPS hosts your bots in the cloud with near zero latency. Combine this with your preferred AI bot like EA Builder or PropFirm AI tools, and you can trade 24/7, even while you sleep. Number 5. QuantConnect. If you're into data-driven strategies, QuantConnect gives you institutional-grade tools for AI modeling. You can backtest Forex algorithms across 20 years of tick data and use machine learning libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Not for beginners, but powerful if you want to build your own AI trading system. Final thoughts. AI won't replace traders, but it will replace traders who don't use AI. Whether you're a beginner or pro, the right tools can save you time, reduce risk, and spot trades humans miss. Start small, test everything, and let data guide your strategy, not emotion. Call to action. Subscribe for more AI-driven trading tips. Smart Money Concept, where strategy meets simplicity.